Hi friends, good morning. Once again with a new topic. Friends, our today's topic, I like to stress, the whole world is under constant attack of fear. Say, Corona has become a worldwide crisis. So I thought, let us discuss crisis today. And I'll give you a small tip regarding crisis management. If you know how to manage the crisis, that's sure you can live your life easily and successfully. So, first of all, what is crisis? Crisis is something unusual going to happen, which has a fear along with it of making some harm to you or your surroundings or your atmosphere, complete environment, and that becomes crisis. The harmful effect of that will lead to so many negative interpretations, so many negative imaginations, and maybe afterwards they turn into real. That is what you think, and it becomes a crisis. So let us see what should be done for the crisis. First of all, don't panic. Try to understand, try completely to analyze the crisis. Now, what is it? How is it? How it works? What can happen? How it can happen? When it can happen? Once you have understood all these basic things, it's clear, you proceed step by step. Now once you know how it happens, so you can immediately decide how you can avoid it, how you can be away from that. Once you know when it happens, so keep yourself away from that time. So naturally it's averted, it's diverted, it passes away. And suppose it happens, then what to do? See, everything is not in your control. So suppose it happens, then what to do? Once these things are clear, I don't think there will be anything where you get disturbed or you are away from your regular work, routine work and all that. So friends, step by step, let us see. First of all, when we start talking of the crisis management, what should be done and how to face it? First, always be normal. Don't try to panic. Be normal and think over the situations, how, when, what, why, where. After that, take care of yourself and all the people around you, all the things around you that makes your thing easy. The next point what you do is believe that good will happen. That's the main thing. You should have a strong determination. You should have a strong mind, strong thoughts that nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to harm me. Nothing is going to harm our company, our organization, our friends, our families, everyone. The next thing, good energy and vibration. That's the main source needed to fight. See, for Corona also, you know, you need what? Immunity, strong immunity. Now, how that strong immunity is created? By your good energy and by your good vibrations. Motivate yourself and also motivate others working with you, staying with you, living with you. Motivate all of them. Then pray. Pray what? Pray and send good vibrations to show to all those who are facing this crisis, those who are facing these problems. It is necessary to show them that you are providing them with your good wishes, with your prayers, you are sending good vibrations, good energy, which will help them to fight that crisis. And those who are working for the people, those who are getting affected during that work, during that crisis, say at present, you know, doctors, nurses, policemen, the people who are striving hard to keep everything clean, neat, sanitization and all those who are directly or indirectly connected with this crisis. Pray for them, send them good wishes, let them understand that you are also sending them good vibrations. And ultimately, now as I talk to you friends, say try to keep it in your mind that there are three zones. The first zone is what you call fear, where you are a little bit frightened and you think negative, what has happened, how it will harm, what will be the effect of harm, how much total loss will be there, and all that. Once you know that, all that is a fear. Now, once you pass this, when you already understood this, and then also you become neutral, then comes the phase. You start learning. You get new knowledge. Okay, I should keep away from the people who are affected. I should, whenever there is a crisis, what are the steps I have to do? That should be very clear. Your strategy should be clear. So there is a stage of learning. So first zone was fear, friends. Now the second zone, when you enter, it's learning. Gather all the knowledge, gather all the data, gather all the informations, and then you learn a lot of things. Your thoughts are clear. You are very easily and very comfortably you are set in the zone where you learn new things and you develop new strategies, you develop new plans, and ultimately, friends, I promise you all, that will lead you development. Lead you to the development. Development means out of that all, you will be able to create new atmosphere, new energy, a new way of thinking, new way of working, new way of understanding each other, new way of behaving with each other. Thank you all the friends. This was just short tips, some small tips for the crisis management. Thank you.